Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal account. I'm going to show you step by step. So the first thing that you need to decide is whether you are gonna go with a personal account or a business account. The vast majority of you guys are probably going to be going with a personal account. Now for those who might want to go with a business account, it's gonna be if you are selling goods and services with this PayPal account, or if you're gonna be accepting donations. Those are the situations where you probably want to go with that business PayPal. But the personal account is going to be great for buying goods and services yourself online, as well as having you get the opportunity to transfer funds between your PayPal account and friends and family at no fee charge to you when you are transferring those funds. It's also a great way to hook up a credit card or a debit card or bank account or to that PayPal account. So that's different options for paying for things online. You can also transfer funds around between those accounts as well. So a personal account is probably what the majority of you guys are gonna go with. So we are gonna go ahead and click on sign up for free. So on this page, what you need to do is type in your legal first name, your legal last name, as well as the email that you want to associate with your PayPal account. A password, you need to confirm that password and then click next. So I'm gonna go through all these steps myself and then take you over to the next page. Then on the next page, what you want to do is type in your personal address, the city, the state, the zip code, and then also a phone number, whether it's your home phone number or mobile phone number. And then you need to go through, read over the communications, e-communications, delivery policy, the user agreement and privacy statement if you like to do that, and then you need to check this box and then you can go ahead and click agree and create account. So then on this page it gives us the option where we can either link a debit card, a credit card, or down here kind of hidden at the bottom it gives you the option to link a bank account, and instead it's going to be up to you which you decide to link. I myself with this account I'm going to link a debit card, so I'm going to enter in my information in terms of the debit card number right here, the expiration date, as well as the CSC. Now the billing address, it's going to automatically fill in whatever you filled in as your address earlier on this process. Now if your billing address is different than your home address that you used in that earlier portion of this application, then you can change that in this area. But as soon as you enter in that information, you can go ahead and click link card, and then we'll take you on over to the next page. So I linked my card, it took me over to the next page with a nice green check mark here showing that it was successful in linking that card, and now everything is set up ready to use for shopping and sending money. There is a ton of different things that you can use with a PayPal account. If you scroll down to the bottom, click on go to your account and will actually officially take you to your brand new PayPal account page. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.